You're on candid camera now. You've been caught.
On this episode of Wizard Cops
Oh my God, don't start me.
this girl was high on marijuana and it was raging out of control. Nobody could stop it. They had to send an ambulance. She almost died laughing to death in cardiac arrest.
Where's Jeremy? Where's Jeremy? Jeremy's just looking down.
What do you think about this?
He's ashamed.
I don't think I do.
And you don't know. On to you.
You don't know who he is right now.
Neither do you, apparently.
Yeah, he was looking for Darth Vader earlier. I don't know. He kept telling somebody who called back, he's gonna go finish
Darth Vader
what
said
did
he
I say?
went, oh, Darth Vader did say he had dropped cigarettes off today. You told it, see, I don't know.
Calm down.
something.
I'm hungry.
I know, I am too.
Let's go make food.
I know.
Alright, let's go make food.